It's been sleeping soundly for over a decade. Now, this unforgettable legend that was created by the gods is returning to once again change the face of mischief.
Loki! Find that mask!
New Line Cinema presents
Who's the happy baby?
the next generation of mischief.
Mommy.
You said mama. Can you say dad?
Mother.
How are you and Alvy doing?
Our son is bouncing off the walls.
From the director of Cats and Dogs,
I am Loki, god of mischief. Give me my mask!
I think my dog ate it.
this February.
What's happening?
One mask fits all. Jamie Kennedy,
Honey, I think it's time we trade up.
Alan Cumming,
This is a fake.
Yes, but it's a good fake. Ow.
and introducing Otis as Otis the dog.
Buckle up, baby!
Son of the Mask.
Elf is finally on DVD
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
with 4 easy ways to get on Santa's nice list. No burping. No screaming. No crying. And no fighting.
We can take him. Let's go.
Plus, this DVD is filled with cool games for you to play.
Really?
Elf, own it on DVD today. Rated PG.
Bye-bye!